Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a fantastic tool for creating stunning AI portraits. Let's dive right in. First, let's open up Chrome. Next, let's search for AI Portrait. Now, click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the website, click on Get a Free Trial Now to start. Now, click on Upload Your Image to select the photo you'd like to use for your AI portrait. Choose your image from your computer or device. Next, choose the gender for your portrait. Now, click on Portrait Style to choose your preferred style. I like this style, so I'll choose that one. Finally, click on Generate to create your AI portrait. Now, let's give it a minute to work its magic. And boom! Check out the result. We have our stunning AI portrait. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy creating.